If you've seen Top Gun: Maverick, you probably remember the beach football scene. 2 footballs, 1 play, and both teams running offense and defense at the same time. It looks chaotic, but it works. And honestly, that's what responsible AI feels like inside a real organization. Our strategy rests on that exact idea. AI has to be both offense and defense. Because you can't build exciting new capabilities and then bolt on safety at the end. If you want AI that scales, and AI that your regulators, auditors, and clients can trust, you have to design the two together. Let me give you an example. We built a transcription service for when clients call our service center. It captures the conversation so we can analyze sentiment, identify trends, and improve the experience. It sounds great, but what's the very first thing you're asked when you call a financial institution? Extremely sensitive personal data about things like your mother's maiden name, the school you went to, your first childhood pet. So how do we run offense and defense? We built a redaction service that automatically removes the sensitive portion of the call before the transcript ever enters our database. Now we can still analyze why someone called, but we've eliminated the privacy risk up front. That's privacy by design in action. This is the balance every firm has to strike: growth and innovation on one side, and risk and governance on the other. But here's the thing most people don't realize. In our industry, governance is not a barrier, it's an enabler. Regulators and auditors want to see how you've thought through these challenges. They want evidence that offense and defense were built together, not treated as separate tracks. You can't do that in a silo. It takes business, technology, and risk working together to deliver responsible capabilities that actually move the needle. The offense is the innovation, and the defense is in the responsibility. And both are rooted in our mission of treating clients fairly and giving them the best chance for investment success. As an industry, we all face this same tension. We want to push AI forward, but we also have to show how we're managing risk and protecting clients. That balance shapes how and when you innovate. So how do we put offense and defense into practice at Vanguard when it comes to responsible AI? We anchor on 3 things. First, the design. We separate what should be done with generative models like Claude or Gemini from what belongs in classic deterministic machine learning. If an answer needs to be right every time, it goes to traditional AI. If it requires reasoning, creativity, or complex language understanding, that's generative. Keeping those lanes clear reduces risk before a single line of code goes into production. Our second anchor is evaluation. We evaluate our models before they go live and long after they've deployed. These systems have gotten better, but you still have to watch them. So we're constantly checking to see if the model is performing the way we expect. And the third thing we focus on is business involvement. This part is critical because AI isn't a tech thing. You can't throw it over the wall to IT and hope it works. The business has to be at the table because only domain experts know if AI's answer is actually right. That collaboration is how responsible AI becomes real. Today, Vanguard has more than 80 models in production across a wide range of use cases, each governed under this offense and defense framework. Because if we want AI that scales, safely, responsibly, and with real impact, this is the path. Offense fuels innovation, defense earns trust, and the combination is what moves the industry and your practice forward. If this helped you think differently about how offense and defense show up in AI, hit like so more people can find this video. And be sure to subscribe, because next we're breaking down how AI is going to fundamentally transform the client journey and what that means for your practice.